Today, we are going to walk you through how to create bundles in HubSpot with the help of LineNer. First, open any deal in HubSpot and scroll to the LineNer card. In the Actions menu, click Bundles. This is where you start creating a new bundle. Click Create Bundle, give it a name, and add your first line item. You can choose an existing product or create your own. Enter the SKU, set the quantity, and pick the currency if needed. Open the Additional Properties section. Here you can choose unit price, unit discount price, discount type, and more. When the first line item is ready, click Save. You can then add more items. Choose a SKU or create a new product, set the quantity, and open Additional Properties. This is also where you can use date tokens. For example, you can set the start billing process using the close date token. Tokens help you pull the right information from the deal automatically. Save the item. If needed, enable the Update Deal Amount option, so the deal amount updates automatically when the workflow adds your items. Add as many line items as you want. Some fields can stay empty if they are not required. When you are done, click Create Bundle. Next, open your workflow. Choose the workflow you want to use. Click the plus button and select the LineNer action called Add Bundle. Pick the bundle you created, save it, and turn the workflow on. Once the workflow criteria are met, all line items from your bundle will be added to the deal automatically. To review the results, go to Actions and open App Usage. There, you can see which line items were added to which deal and by which workflow. And that is everything. Your bundle is ready, your workflow is active, and LineNer will handle the automation for you.